In a swift response to the adoption of 12 passengers along the Otukpo-Otukpa road in Benue State, the Nigerian police force has deployed high-tech surveillance drones to aid in the search and rescue operation. The victims traveling in a Benue Links transport bus were reportedly ambushed and kidnapped by unknown gunmen on the busy highway. The incident, which has sent shockwaves across the region, occurred in an area increasingly known for rising cases of armed attacks and abductions. Security agencies confirmed that the deployment of area drones is a strategic measure to track the movements of the kidnappers, monitor remote terrains, and guide ground forces to precise locations. A senior police official stated that the drones are equipped with thermal imaging and night vision capacities, providing 24-hour surveillance to boost the chances of a safe rescue. We are leveraging technology to complement our ground efforts, the police source noted. Our mission is clear: to rescue all abducted passengers unarmed and bring the perpetrators to justice. Meanwhile, the Benue state government has condemned the attack and assured citizens of intensified security patrols along major transport routes. The Commissioner for Transport also expressed solidarity with the victims' families, pledging full support to security operatives involved in the operation. As rescue efforts continue, the public is urged to remain vigilant and report any suspicious movements or activities that may aid the authorities in their operation. The incident adds to the growing concerns over highway insecurity in parts of the North Central region, calling for urgent, sustained measures to protect commuters and restore public confidence in road transportation. I am Joseph Yaji, and this platform is Akahi Update. Don't forget that intensive tutorial for all students preparing for this year's post-UTME, pre-degree entrance examination, School of Nursing entrance examination, as well as OAU JUPEP entrance examination is currently in progress at Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife. Should you are interested, Akahi Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road, off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Don't forget, Akahi Tutors also provide decent hostel accommodation for all students who are not Ife resident at a bearable cost. You can contact the management of Akahi Tutors on 08038644328. For other details, you can visit their website directly at akahitutors.org. Thank you.